everybody, I hope you're doing good and are safe. If you guys already know me, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lakshika and I recently started making videos, so please come join our community. Today's topic is nothing but personal development, which is very close to my heart and I truly believe it's very important. In this video, we are going to discuss about why is it important to focus on personal development and what did I do to develop myself. But before we get into it, let's understand what exactly does personal development mean. When it comes to development, it focuses on something which is an ongoing process. It's a continuous process. And personal development focuses on your daily process that contributes towards growth. Self-improvement is an outcome of personal development. Now that we've understood what is personal development and self-improvement, let's see why is it important to focus on personal development as such. First thing first, it improves mental health. How? The first step towards personal development is to be able to understand yourself and become self-aware. Once you're self-aware, you understand what's important for you, you understand your priorities, and once you prioritize, you know how to channelize your emotions and you become emotionally intelligent. That results in reducing stress and anxiety. For example, one of the things which stresses me out the most is not knowing what am I going to do for the entire day. So therefore, I brought in the habit of waking up every day, writing down what I'm going to do for the day, and also make sure that I have enough space to do what I want to do and to do what I'm supposed to do. Well, that leads to my second point, which is you become self-motivated. Once you understand yourself and once you know what you need, you start facing each of your weaknesses and overcome challenges, which motivates you to push yourself and do better and go to greater heights. You find out what keeps you going, and therefore it's a continuous cycle, and without that you don't feel self-motivated at all. But what exactly keeps us going? Well, that brings us to my third point. You start understanding your values and your purpose in life. Well, we all are human beings and human beings experience so many things on a daily basis. There's so many situations, so many challenges, so many circumstances, and we react to them. When we react to them, we start noticing, hey, what exactly is bothering me? Hey, what exactly do I want to take stand for? Hey, what do I believe in? Therefore, it helps us understand what exactly do we value and what exactly is the purpose we want to achieve in our life. That leads to my fourth point, which is you become better at decision making. Once you understand your values and purpose and the beliefs you believe in, you are able to align your actions with those. And therefore that helps you make better decisions and prioritize what's important for you. Let's talk about the fifth point which I want to share, that is learning attitude. Once you start investing your time in developing yourself and you understand that, hey, this is a lifelong process, you are aware and you are open to your shortcomings, your weaknesses, you want to face them, you want to learn out of your mistakes and not be ignorant because you want to succeed and you want to grow. And let me remind you that growth and success is the end goal of personal development. Last but not the least, and the most important one, is it helps you cultivate healthy relationships and self-love. When it comes to healthy relationships, now that you're aware of yourself, you're able to understand what are your values and what is your belief system. You finally communicate them. This in turn results in having a healthy relationship, draw effective boundaries, and prioritize the needs of both the individuals. Well, you must be wondering, hey, she's asking you to be yourself and also change at the same time. Well, it's important to understand that this development is not out of frustration. Rather, it focuses on what matters to you, overcoming your hurdles to reach your highest potential. Now, I'm going to share what steps I took to develop myself. First things first, I started questioning. Who am I, as cliche as it sounds. I started asking questions like, what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, what am I insecure of, what are my fears, what makes me happy, and all sorts of questions which I possibly could have asked. I not only asked myself, but I also asked my peers. I started receiving feedbacks, and therefore that helped me understand hey, this is what I believe I am, this is what people perceive me, and I started making choices based on who I wanted to be and who I wanted to become. The next thing I did was I was open to making friends outside my community and outside my comfort zone, and I can proudly say that I am not stuck with my own community, and I'm able to mingle with people of different communities who have different belief system and who have different values, because of which I also understood what are my values and what is my belief system. My belief system is not only an outcome of what my family believes in, but rather it's a mixture of what my family believes in, what my peers believe in, and also what sociology has taught me. The third and the most important thing which I did for myself, and I would say I'm really grateful for it, is that I started setting boundaries and saying no to toxic relationships. Well, I understand it's hard to do, but as a process of personal development, you will do that. You start understanding who is your true support system and who are the people who are not allowing you to succeed or grow in life, and therefore you start setting boundaries, which also helps you focus on loving yourself. Next thing I did was take advantage of every single opportunity you get, and if you don't get an opportunity, find one, because it's important to face your weaknesses and your insecurities. For example, 1.5 years ago, I was not somebody who could have filmed this video, who could have smiled in a photo with her teeth shown, because I was very insecure of the way it looked. But today I can proudly say that I've accepted myself and I feel comfortable with the way I look, and I feel confident. This, my friends, is one of the outcomes of personal development. I forgot to add one thing which I tell every single person, but I forgot to tell it in this video, which is pretend till you make it. Keep benchmark, keep inspiration, imitate them, act confident until you actually feel confident. This was something which worked out very well for me. I was able to tackle self-doubt, and I was able to feel free to give my opinions, take opinions. It just made almost everything a lot more less awkward. Last and the golden rule is start journaling. Journaling has made me who I am today. The first time I journaled was very simple. I got to attend my sister's farewell when she was in 12th grade, and I came back home, I took a book and I wrote how my sister looked pretty, how everybody I saw looked pretty, and I also wrote that I had an ice cream that day. These are the little things which I captured, and today if I want I can take that book and read that story and still feel the same way I felt that day. There are many people I know who write only when they are angry, but I would personally suggest that write your every single day. Even if this day is as boring as you did nothing and you laid on your bed, you still had thoughts, you had your mind running. Hey, today I had the opportunity to have a lazy day, I was sleeping on the bed, I watched this show, I watched that show, I found this very interesting, this, that. Just write story. Whatever you write in your journal becomes stories, and once they become stories, they are something to be shared. They can be used sometime or the other in your life. To be able to gather your thoughts and to have a better clarity of your thoughts, it's very, very important to journal. And yeah, if you guys liked anything which I shared, and if you have at least one takeaway, please leave that in the comments below. That what was something which really excited you, and what is something that you would like to follow. Apart from that, please share it with anybody who would benefit out of this. Personal growth is for every single person, irrespective of the age they are in. And it's never too late to start growing and developing yourself and focusing on yourself. So I hope you guys have a great day and weekend ahead. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!